What's going on, y'all? It has been a while, but I'm back. So today I got a cleaning video, man. Coming back to it with the cleaning video. Sorry for my little bit of absence. It's been a few weeks, you know what I'm saying? But we're back. We're here. So today we're gonna be cleaning my favorite pair of shoes in my collection right now. As you can see, these guys are gonna need some loving. So last weekend, I wore them out for a friend's birthday. It was like a little house party thing, and we were in the backyard, and it had just rained, super muddy, super dirty. So I knew I was gonna need to definitely give these guys some love. So that's what we're gonna do today. Today we're gonna give them some love, get them nice and cleaned, and get them back to looking good, man. Because again, these are my favorite pairs of shoes in my collection right now. So I want to keep them nice, want to keep them fresh. So let's get into it, man. First thing is first, let's get our laces removed. It's a beautiful Saturday we got going on here. Saturday for me. What day is it for y'all? It's about 70 something degrees. Super nice, sunny, a little bit of clouds, nothing too crazy. All right, y'all, with our laces removed here, we will be moving on to our first few steps. So we will take one shoe away for comparison at the end. Put this back here, and then we will begin on this guy right here. So first things first, we're gonna do here is we're gonna take our soft bristle brush. The first thing I'm gonna do is hit this suede right here, just to try and lift up any dirt, any debris, you know, that's in the suede right now. So so when I get to actually using the the solution, the mixture, it doesn't saturate it more into the suede. So that's what we're gonna start off with. Let's go. That's all you need. Sorry. Bunch of the suede came off. Maybe it went a little too hard. We'll be alright. So again, just hit that front a little bit, and you can see it's a little bit better. It's a little bit better there. So next step is again, we'll use our. So I got two soft bristles. I got a dry and I got a wet. So we're gonna take our wet soft bristle and get it into our solution. And of course, shoe trees are already inside, nice and firm. So, let's get into it. And still just going very gentle on this suede, even though it is a soft bristle brush. Suede is a very sensitive material, man. So I'm still just going light, light, quick strokes on that. Just so we're not, just like agitating it too much. Yeah, keep going. All right, y'all, and just like that, man, the uppers are brought back to life. The suede looking nice and clean again, nice and soft gray. There are still tiny stains, but I should be able to get those out once this dries out and I hit it with my little suede kit. So yeah, man, uppers looking wonderful once again. I'll put these on right now if I have to go out somewhere, but let's keep going. So we're next going to be moving on to our midsoles there. Keep going on to our midsoles, around the panels. And for this cleaning, I'm not going to be doing the bottoms. Again, these are my personals, and I'm just going to wear them. So I'm not worried about the bottom. So let's just get into the midsole, and we will almost be done, man. Almost be done. And just like that, y'all, in under 20 minutes, we got one shoe done. So 30 minutes in total to clean both of your shoes, man. It's worth it. It's worth it. But if you don't have that type of time, if you don't want to do that type of thing, hit me up. Hit me up, man. I'll do it for you. I'll do it for you. Anyways, here we got our shoes. So this guy right here is our clean and our dirty. I hope you can tell the differences. So again, here we got the dirty one here, as you can see, that nice little dirt, nice little mud all up on that shoe there. And then here we got our fresh, just cleaned guy again. And look at that, looking like nothing ever happened to him. Looking like he came right out the box. Yeah, man. So again, I don't know again what. Alright, y'all, well, that has been the video for today. I really appreciate you guys tuning in and watching along. I hope you guys find this helpful, and you know, you can just use it for yourself, you know, because again, it takes 30 minutes. It's a Saturday, I'm doing it. Just, you know, just real quick, just to keep my shoes good, keep them healthy, keep them, you know, fresh. So anyways, appreciate you guys. We'll catch you on the next one. Peace.